Sacramento Capital Air Show. I don't know where I parked. Alright, what's up? Going solo? Sheila can't make it out today. There's an air show here in Sacramento, California. Heading out to that. Hopefully get a good look at some airplanes flying in the air. I'm a camera gear. So hopefully we get some good footage and or some good pictures. And we're about 15 minutes away, so we'll catch you all on the flip. Alright, we are here. Sacramento Capital Air Show. We're parked somewhere over here. Been walking about 5 minutes now. Good luck to me finding my car, and we still got a ways to go. A lot of people. A lot of people here today. Good Lord. Just a line for the bathrooms behind me. You know, I hadn't planned on eating real food, but I might just have to. There's hella stuff here. Good Lord. All right. Woo! I guess there's a little bit of a break in the shows. Just checking out to see what else we got here. Ooh, more food. Gotta love food. Pretty cool so far. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get something to eat though. I'm starving, thirsty as hell. There you go. All right, let's see. I didn't bring earmuffs, but I am glad I brought my AirPods with the noise cancellation. They do help. They're not great, but they do help a little bit because that stuff hurt. All right, let's see what else we got here. Definitely quite a bit of food out here, but I think I saw more stuff that way. So I'm gonna head on over there and we'll see what we can find. But I gotta get something to eat. Looks like they're running a little ahead of schedule. The flight of the heavies, the big C-17, C-5, KC something, the big ones. So let's see, here they come. Burger. All right, thank you, sir. All right, we got our lunch burger. All right. Very well done. Overall, not great, but not bad. So, edible. So now we're in the more interactive areas. Big jets behind us. I guess you can go in them, so maybe we'll kind of go in. Looks like we got the F-18s in the air right now, so let's see. bulgogi Korean fries. So we'll see if it's any good.
And then we'll be handing things over to the F-22 demonstration team at the Raptor demo. F-22 Raptor!
Now the problem is gotta go home. Gotta make it through that. Not looking forward to that at all. Alright, been walking about 10 minutes now. We just got out of the air show. Now we gotta walk that way. It's gonna be a long walk. I got a bit of a problem. I don't know where I parked. Could be there, could be there, could be there, could be behind me. I don't remember. Found it. All right, we found a car after how many miles? Yeah, no, pretty good air show overall. I mean, some good, what do you call it? Airplane acrobatics. Cool planes on the ground. Got to go inside a couple of them. A lot of people in there. I didn't really go in a whole lot of them. AC's running. Alrighty, good. Let's get in. Alright, we are done with the air show today. Got some really good pictures. I think I got some really good video. We'll see obviously when we get into Lightroom and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna head on out, meet up with my sweetheart for dinner, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Alrighty, and with that, catch y'all on the flip.